Hey and welcome everybody to this new video of mastering Git and GitHub. So now we will learn how to connect our local repository with Git, with the Git server, or with the remote repository. So first of all, we need to have a GitHub account. So if you don't have a GitHub it's time to have one. It's very simple. You just go to github.com, click on sign up. You just need your username, email, password, and that's it. You have an account. After that, connect with your account and create a repository. For creating that, you go to this plus button and you click new repository. After that, it will take us to the other page, which we need to say the name of the repository and description of the repository, and some choice if we want, for example, to make our repository public or private. So here, for example, the name, let's say demo, and here let's give it some description. Let's just say project of Git for our training, something like that, for our training. So after that, we need to choose even public or private. Public, this means it's an open code source who everyone in the world can see or can view your code. Private, it's not. You need to give them the privilege to go and see your work. For now, we will just leave it public. And here it says that initialize the repository with the README. For us, we have the README. We have 3 READMEs, so it's not important to do it. So create a repository, and after that it will show us 2 codes. Yeah, it's like that. So in this first code, for the people who don't initialize their project yet, so they need to copy and paste all this command line. For us, we are initializing our demo repository with Git. It's already initialized with Git and it's master. So we need just to put that code, and we will know how to use it right now, or how to do it right now. So as I said, for us we will do the second command line. But first of all, let's see if our remote project or our local demo is connected to some remote project. Of course, we know that it's not, but let's just see the command who tells us. It's git remote -v. We hit enter, and the output, it's empty. That means it's not connected to any remote project. But before copy and paste this command, we need to make sure that everything is clean, and to see that, we need to execute the git status command. We see that everything was clean, so now we will copy and paste this command. Copy and then paste. We hit enter, and it's connected. So now if we re-execute the command of git remote -v, we see that we are connected to some remote repository, but it shows us to fetch and push. So basically, the push is from the local to the remote. So from our local demo to the demo in the repository or in the GitHub repository, and fetch, it's from the demo in the GitHub repository to our demo in the machine. So now we can push our work by copy and paste this command line. Yeah, after that we will paste. It may ask us for our credential, password and email. Password and email. Let's see. Are you sure you want to continue connecting? So now if we will answer with yes. Yeah, I don't know what problem I have, but those are the right and correct command to do that. You just first you'll connect the local with the remote repository with this command, and after that you push it. After that you will just reload this page, and you will show, and your code will be seen. That's all for this video. See you soon.